In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the wiper blades on your Toyota Tacoma. Let's get started. Remove the white guards off of the windshield wipers. We're going to put our wiper blades where we're working, pull up on the wiper arm, grab this clip, twist it out, open the flap, pull straight down, and unlock the wiper. Grab one of the new wipers, get it lined up, push it up into place. You'll hear it click, give it a pull, make sure it's locked in. Set it down to the glass, repeat the same process on the other side. The reason we keep our wipers nice and close so we don't have to put the wiper arm back down to the glass or just leave it up. These can snap back down and break your glass. That is something we want to avoid. Once you've replaced your wipers, you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.